Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I am Anam Fatma and today we are going to find out the factors of any cubic polynomial by using the factor theorem. Okay, first I am going to talk about what is cubic polynomial or any expression which is known as cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means that the expression we are having, it must have the variable having the highest degree as 3. Okay, so this is the polynomial with the highest variable with the highest degree as 3. Alright, so this is known as cubic polynomial. What does cubic polynomial means? Means any expression which have whatever the variable is x or y is present, but the highest degree or the power of the variable is 3, then it is known as cubic polynomial. Alright, let's see how we can find out the factor of any cubic polynomial. Okay, one more thing which is the key point you need to keep in your mind, that if we have cubic polynomial, it means that we must have 3 factors of the given expression. Okay, the number of the factors will be 3 because the polynomial is cubic polynomial. Alright, means the degree of the variable, the highest degree of the variable is 3, so the factors must be 3. Alright, so how can we find out the factors of a given expression by using the factor theorem? Let's see. Okay, solution. As I know that this constant is 2 and the factors, first I want to know what are the factors of this number. The factors of 2 are 0, plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. These are the 5 factors are the factors of 2. Okay, so what we are going to do, for I am going to just suppose that this given expression is a polynomial of x, so I can write down that p of x is equals to x cube minus 2x square minus x and plus 2. Alright, so if I am going to take x is equals to 0, right? If I am going to put x is equals to 0, but I know that if I am going to put x as 0 here and here, so it all becomes 0 and plus 2, so the remainder will be plus 2. So this is not beneficial for me, so I am going to put x is equals to 1. Okay, I am letting that x is equals to 1. Alright, so if this polynomial is going to be p of x, if I am going to put the value of x as 1, so it becomes 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. What will be the next step? The next step will be the simplification. Alright, so 1 cube is 1 minus 2, 1 square is 1, 1 multiplied by 2 will be minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. If I am going to simplify it, the answer will be 0. Plus 1 minus 1 0, minus 2 plus 2 0. Okay, this is the same procedure which we have done for the remainder theorem, and we know that if we have remainder as 0, it means that what does it mean? That it means that x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Okay, this is by chance we got 0 remainder as 0. If we get let's suppose if we got something else other than 0, then the remainder will be other than 0. We need to substitute any other value. Let's suppose we are going to substitute minus 1, 2 or plus 2. Okay, this is also known as a trial method. In trial method, we need to substitute the values of x as +1, -1 or +2, -2. If we get 0, we will stop there. Okay, if we get this remainder as 0, at that point we will stop there and are going to find out the further 2 more factors, right? By this time I have one factor of the given expression, that is what is the factor? X minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. So how can we find out the rest of the 2 factors? We are going to find out the rest of the 2 factors by division method. Okay, do you know the division method? Long division? Yes, we are going to perform the long division. Okay, so the polynomial is going to be as dividend x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, and the factor, all right, x minus 1 is going as a divisor. Okay, whatever the factor we found, we will have as a divisor, and this given expression as a dividend. All right, and I am going to divide it, this given polynomial, by x minus 1. You know the long division method? Yes, we have already done in our previous classes. All right, so I'm going to follow the procedure. X cube divided by x will be x square, so I'm going to put x square over here. When x square multiply with x, it will be x cube, and when x square multiply with minus 1, it will be minus x square. Okay, now I'm going to do the subtraction. All right, so I have minus x square minus x. Okay, so minus x square, as you know that I'm doing this rough work for you. This minus x square divided by x, I will have minus x. Okay, so minus x multiply with x will be minus x square, and this minus x multiply with 1 minus 1, it will be minus plus x. Then again subtraction, when we used to subtract, the sign will be changed, as you know that. So we just not encountered this second sign, we just encountered the first and the last sign, So this is minus x square, this is plus x square, it will be 0. Minus x will be minus 2x, and I will copy down this plus 2 here. Okay, so this is the rough work. Minus 2x divided by x, so we will have only minus 2. All right, so minus 2 will be here. All right, then minus 2 multiply with x will be minus 2x, minus 2 into 1 will be plus 2. Now again subtraction, so if this is minus, it become plus, if this is plus, it become minus. So we will encounter only first and last sign, so minus 2x plus 2x 0, plus 2 minus 2 0. Okay, what we will have? Remainder as 0, because I know that this is x minus 1 is a factor of the given expression, so I will have remainder as 0. Now I have the quotient, that is x square minus x minus 2. I need to work on it, all right, and find the rest of the 2 factors from this quotient. All right, so how can we find out the further 2 factors? I can split the middle term. Okay, I can split the middle term. How can I split it? I can write down this expression in this way: x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. Instead of minus x, I can write down minus 2x plus x. All right, if I'm going to solve it, I will have this minus x. Okay, now I have 4 terms. How many terms now I'm having? I'm having 4 terms. So I will make the group of 2 terms to take common. All right, so from first 2 terms, I can take x as common. So what will we have? X minus 2, right? Bracket close. Okay, what we can have common from these 2 terms? We cannot take something common from them. We can. What we can? We can take plus 1 as a common factor. All right, whenever we can see that there is nothing common, but we can take 1 as a common factor. Alright, so what we will have, x minus 2 inside the bracket. Alright, now these two brackets are similar, so x minus 2 can be taken as common and x plus 1. Now I have two more factors, that is x minus 2 and x plus 1. What does it mean? It means that now I'm having all three factors of the given expression, which are x minus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 1 are the factors of given polynomial. This is our answer. Alright, this is all about the factor theorem. How can we find out the factors of any cubic expression, cubic polynomial, by using the factor theorem. Okay, I'm just going to sum up for you what is the first step. The first step, what you need to do, you will see what is the constant. Okay, whatever the constant is, you will find out the factors of that constant, right? In the next step, you will consider your polynomial as a polynomial of x, because it is given as a polynomial of x. So you will take polynomial of x is equals to whatever the expression is. Then you will put the values of x. Why I'm using the word values, because you will put 1 or minus 1, 2 or minus 2. Okay, it's totally up to you. Okay, and if you got 0 as a remainder, so you will stop there. Okay, if you will have something else other than 0, you will put something like, if I'm not going to have the 0 over here, then I'll put minus 1. Okay, the value of x is minus 1, but luckily I got remainder as 0, so I have written that x minus 1, x is equals to 1, so x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. Okay, this is the first factor. Then I'm going to use this factor to divide this given expression. Alright, so I use this factor to divide the given expression. I just divide the whole this expression by a long division method, and I got remainder as 0. So the whatever the quotient I got it, I wrote it here. Then what you will do, you will split the middle term to get two more factors, right? I used middle term break method and got two more factors. So I have written that x minus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 1 are the factors of the given polynomial. I hope this is clear to you. Inshallah, we will meet again in some other video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.